Minister wa ukui James Macharia niarutiire honge rwa port mathaa 48 rukorwo ruthurimite na kuhetokia mirigo iria ikomaneire gicukiro-ini kia mirigo kia Mombatha na gucungiriria wigucia hari ukui wa mirigo kuhetokira reri njeru ya SGR.
We are giving the directors concerned the next 48 hours to make sure that all those loose nuts and bolts are fixed. Next 48 hours, meaning today is Thursday, by end of tomorrow, all those nuts and bolts must be cleared.
Macharia niarutiire watho uyu ari mwena wa gicua-ini ningi nioririe ruhonge ruru kurutithania wira na njira ya hakuhi na ruhonge rwa ukui wa reri bururi-ini na niguo gutigirira mihang'o ino ni yarahuka ta uria ibangiirwo.
The objective is to make sure that by the end of June we have at least 6 trains leaving the port of Mombasa with cargo to the ICD in Nairobi. 6 trains without fail. They will still be out of business for other people because 28 million tons coming here. Even if you say 8 million tons belong to Mombasa, 20 million tons will go to Nairobi. And for the SGR, I think the maximum we can take will be maybe 10 million.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa Port Catherine Muturi ni augite ona kuria uguo ni kugite na wongerereku wa gukora kwa mirigo na gicunji kia 32 harĩ igana mwaka uyu ukiringithanio na ihinda ta rĩrĩ mwaka muthiru.
Container traffic registered an impressive performance with an increase of 98,586 TEUs or 9% from 1,091,000 TEUs handled in 2016 to 1.19 million TEUs in 2017.
Watho wa Minister Macharia ukite uriri onjuri ingi monekete gukorwo mangatheirie kuhimbiria motungata ma mugithi mweru wa mirigo thengia ya ruhonge rwa reri gukorwo rugwithitie marihi ma mirigo kwa ihinda itemi ria gwakiriria hori biacara thing'a wa kuhuthira motungata maya.